Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beaman Toyota in downtown Nashville. A lot of times people ask the question, they take their car in for service, maybe it's not quite ready yet, and for some reason their maintenance light turns on. Maybe the mechanic forgot to shut it off. Whatever the reason is for the maintenance light to be on, very easy in your Sequoia to reset your maintenance reminder light. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to reset your maintenance reminder light. It's very, very simple. So if you look down here, you're going to see this main center screen. Very easy. I'm over here on these buttons here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the right. You can also go to the left. Either one works. So you can see I'm doing to the right, go all the way over here. You just want to get to that little gear that's up top there. Once you get to there, you'll see that it's got several settings that you can go through here. And if you come to vehicle settings, you're going to see on the very bottom, and I'm hitting the center button to select it. On the very bottom, you have maintenance reset. Hit this button to select it. Maintenance reset. Do you want to reset the maintenance reminder? The answer is yes. Now you have 5,000 miles before your next maintenance light will come up. So that is how you reset your maintenance reminder light on your Sequoia. Hopefully helped you guys out. Very quick video for that. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Definitely like, subscribe. Appreciate everyone of you guys. Check out my other videos. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.